What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be changing out the visors on my C5 Corvette. As you can see, they broke. They're very flimsy and will droop down, or the mirror will start to fall off, or the lights don't work anymore, or they just creak and make noise. This one rattles when I'm driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out. I already did the driver's side over here, so you can see what they look like. I got these off of Amazon, $53 for the pair. Lights work. They're not super bright or anything, but it's new. So on this old one, you want to take it out, not all the way, don't rotate it all the way. You want to get a screwdriver, a flathead, put it up in this little slot right here, and then once you get that screwdriver in there, you want to turn the visor all the way until that little clip pops out. And once it pops out, you just pull it down. It may drop out, it may not. Just pull it down like this and you'll be able to remove it. So there is a plug in there. You're gonna have to pull that plug out, and once you get it out, you can now remove the old visor. You probably want to use like a flathead to get up in there. Just make sure you don't break it. So these mirrors or visors are side specific. One is for the passenger side, one is going to be for the driver's side. So make sure you're plugging in the right one. Once you plug it in, of course, check, make sure it works. As far as putting it back in, one of the tips on the triangle piece that goes into here is gonna have a piece of it cut out. So that's gonna be the one you wanna make sure that you match up when putting this back in. And so you're gonna tuck that plug back up in there. Make sure you get it back in the slot correctly and make sure that it's not damaging that plug. And once you get it in there fully, you're gonna turn it back towards the windshield and everything's gonna pop right back in. You'll probably hear it click. So you can go past the little holder towards the windshield like so. And that is it. You have now installed new visors on your C5 Corvette. Congratulations. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, see you guys on the next one.